Alright, so this is the BACKRACK Half Safety Rack installed on my 21 GMC Sierra AT4. And I finally got it in, and I had to call the company to get the right order. I originally ordered the full safety rack, which has all the mesh all the way through. When I got looking at it, I said, no, that's not what I want. I want the half safety rack. That way I can clean the windows. Reach in there and clean it. I'll show you here in a second. And also I ordered the installation kit, which has a really nice pass-through deal through your stake hole pockets right here. So you have to cut out your stake hole pockets, and a big freaking nut on there. I think it's an inch and 11/16. I don't know. It's over an inch. Big one. But you got to put this together. I actually used found a video on YouTube and just did it step by step, and it took me like maybe 45 minutes. Make sure it's aligned. See there? There's a lot of options for accessories, lights, whatever you want to put up there. But I had the CB antenna, and all I did was drill a couple holes through the steel here, and then I painted over the hardware so it doesn't stick out like a sore thumb. It looks pretty damn good. Over there. Yeah, it's all perfect. Really heavy too. This is solid steel. It's not aluminum. Solid steel, made in Canada. Check this out. See this right here? Made in Ontario. Cool. Yeah, these are really thick here. Yeah, it's rigid. Rigid. I'll show you what it looks like backing up here a little bit. Truck needs to get washed too. There you have it. About $370 out the door with free shipping, and they gave me 10% off too, which is even more gooder. This was Labor Day or military or something, but I don't know. Pretty happy about that though. There you have it. Just thought I'd show you. A lot more functional than a sports bar. You know, the old roll bar, gay looking tube things. This actually does something. Alright, we'll see you. Have a good weekend.